welcome back to my channel. I hate long intros, so we're going to get right into it. Today I have some Premier Yarns Spun Colors. I love spun colors, and spun yarn, I don't know if that's a thing that you like, but it's something I like. Ignore that my yarn label got a little squished. That happened in shipping, but that's okay. We don't even need this. I'm going to show you all of the information on the label just in case. This is a 7-ounce skein, or cake, I guess, because it's a cake. And I love that Premier includes a tape measure or a ruler, whatever you'd like to call it, on the label. So if you're ever without one and you have your label, there's one right there. So this is the color Sunset, and it is a 65% acrylic and 35% fine merino superwash. So if that is something that you're interested in, I really like this yarn. So spoiler alert, I love this yarn, but I will tell you all about my feelings about this yarn later. I loved this color in the cake. I thought it was so pretty. It reminded me of like a super romantic walk on the beach, you know, at sunset with, you know, all of your super romantic, like straight out of a rom-com type of movie, and then, you know, something funny happens. I'm not sure that anything funny happens in this video, but we'll see. So I am going to start with my H hook, or a 5mm hook. That's just the hook that this is the hook that I use all the time. So I am going to make a hat, because that's what I do. I make hats. I'm a hat maker. I had a really hard time deciding what I wanted to do with it because it's 7 ounces and it's kind of skinny, and I felt like I was going to get a ton of hats out of this. And realistically, I would probably get like 2 to 3 hats out of something this size, unless they were really intricate or super big, like a hood, or had like a cowl or something like that onto it. So I am just going to make a couple hats and see how I like this. I hope that the color pools beautifully, but I don't know. So I guess we'll find out. So if you've been here for a little while and you guessed that I was going to make a star stitch hat, you're right. That is what I'm doing again. I know I keep saying that I'm going to make one, or I'm not going to make any more, and that I'm going to get this pattern out. And I am. I have been working on it. It's been taking me much longer than I anticipated to get it all written out, and then I'll have to have some testers. So it is something that I am working on, so rest assured I am working on it. I even have a friend helping me a little bit with some of the trickier parts with it, so we can finalize it and get it all done. So don't worry, I've gotten a couple messages on Instagram and a couple emails, so don't worry, I'm getting it done. I'm working on it. So I just wanted to test this one with yarn that is a little bit skinnier than your standard size 4 or worsted weight yarn. So that's something that I wanted to try out just for my own peace of mind as far as sizing goes. So that is something that I've been working on. So I am making a star stitch hat. That was the whole point of this whole ramble that I went on. I am making a star stitch hat, and I wanted to see how this yarn kind of pooled with weird stitches, as opposed to just doing like a half double crochet or a double crochet. I wanted to see how it would hold up with you know, like the star stitch is a really interesting cluster that is like a 2-row type of stitch. It's a very interesting stitch, and I really like it. But I was worried, I guess, about how it would look with a self-striping yarn like this one. So this isn't the only star stitch hat that I made that is in a variegated color. I also did this one that is in a variegated or self-striping or whatever type of color. So I did do that. But this video isn't about my star stitch hat. I just wanted to share that little bit because I have been asked. So I am just going to make my star stitch hat with this yarn, and hopefully it'll look really cool. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. So I do want to say that I really like this yarn. I wasn't even annoyed with the sections of the yarn that were super skinny and the ones that were much chunkier. I know that bothers some people where the thickness isn't consistent, but that's just how, you know, this type of yarn is. It's just a little inconsistent in some areas, and I don't mind that at all. That will be something that frustrates me later, but we'll talk about that later, not right now. So here is my completed star stitch hat. The colors look like this. This is what it looks like. I don't know what this like sort of gold brown sandy color is. I don't know. It was confusing to me too. Um, I I feel a little conflicted because I really, really like this yarn. I love the way that it feels. I love how it worked up. It was super easy to frog in a couple of places that I made a mistake and had to go back. I don't care that sometimes the thickness is a little inconsistent. I love how squishy it is. And then there's this color. I dumped out my big bag of pom-poms trying to put a pom-pom on it like I do for most of my Star Stitch hats. Um, Here I'm just going to take away the ones that clearly won't work, like, the blues and the purple and the hot pink. And the color of this yarn worked up just looks so odd. I feel like I had a solid idea of what it would look like crocheted because the swatch that they show, that Premier Yarn shows on the listing, is a knitted swatch, which is fine. Usually I can kind of mentally make a plan on what it would look like, have, some sort of idea. But I feel like this one is such a weird color, and I feel like the color changes were very inconsistent. It wasn't like how a lot of the like the Red Heart Super Saver Buddy stripes, for instance, that is very consistent in its striping for the most part. And this yarn didn't feel like that at all. I spent so much time trying to come up with a pom-pom for this that I just sort of gave up. I tried really hard. I didn't like any of them. I felt like some of them kind of fit, but not really. And I almost went with that bright orange because there's kind of this like coral orange. And then I thought maybe I could go with this sort of lemony yellow to go with, but it wasn't quite right either. And the whole thing was so frustrating trying to match something, and I decided I just wasn't going to do any. It'll just be a regular slouchy hat with no pom-pom, and it doesn't need one. It's a rebel. It's doing its own thing. As you can see, it's doing its own thing with the colors too. So this yarn, I'm laughing because it just feels so ridiculous that I had like this idea of what it would look like, and I had these very specific, romantic sunset at the beach vibes. And I feel like what I got was like I just opened a big bag of Starburst, threw it in a saucepan, and turned the stove on and just made candy soup. And that's that's just what this looks like now. And I know that that is weird, but that's just kind of how I feel about this color. Even I made a knitted tube here on my knitting machine because I thought maybe I just needed to knit something. Maybe that was the problem. And I still kind of feel like the colors just aren't it. And it sucks because this yarn was so easy to work with, and I just don't like the way it looks. I just don't like the color. And I feel awful saying that because it feels so conflicting, because if someone were to come up to me and ask, did you like this yarn? And I would have to say, yeah, I loved this yarn. But the color is so bad, it almost feels like a lie when I say that I really loved the yarn. And that's kind of conflicting. Maybe I just picked like a bad color. Maybe the other colors are better. I know that the sunset, just that one isn't it for me. I don't like it. I think it looks kind of weird all put together. I definitely think it looks better after I run it through my knitting machine, which was like a complete dream. I didn't have any drop stitches. I didn't have any tangles. Nothing interesting happened while I was running this through my 48 pin knitting machine. And here I did say that I didn't have any issues with this yarn as far as the thickness went until later. And that was it. That was the cabled hat that I made that was a problem. The thickness was definitely a problem when I was doing cables, but I think in the future I just wouldn't do cables with this particular yarn. I did do cables when I used the Karen Macchiato cake, and I thought that was fine. But for some reason, this one, it just gave me a little bit of trouble when I was doing cables. So I probably wouldn't do cables again with this yarn. But I definitely would buy this yarn again, just not in this color. This color is just so weird. It is. It's so weird. And it feels so nice. I even put one of the hats on and I'm like, wow. It's so soft. It's so cozy. But it looks like this. It looks like this. So these are the 3 hats that I made. This is what I made with my yarn. So I did get a bag deal on this. I did end up with 3 cakes in this color. I used a full one and then part of a second one, so I still have a full one left, and then most of the second one that I used. And I feel a little conflicted because I really enjoyed working with this yarn. I made 3 hats and I didn't even blink because it was overall a really pleasant experience. I got to sit and watch my true crime, hang out with my kid and crochet at the same time. And it was just like this really fun crocheting experience with this yarn. But then the color is just so not it for me. It is a huge miss for me. I feel like the yarn colors almost split into 2 different colors that got smushed together, where you have the more pastel pink and the lemony yellow and the lighter colors, and then you have this dark like maroon and dark brown and that weird sandy tan color, and it almost feels like it was 2 separate ideas that got married, and it just kind of looks like Starburst soup, I guess. That's what I'm going to go with. I did get this particular yarn, the Sunset yarn, in a 3-pack bag deal because I believe it's being clearanced off, which I could take a guess as to why that is. But they do have brand new colors. I just looked at Premier Yarns website and I'm kind of in love with some of these other colors. I'm just going to pull a couple of these colors from Premier Yarns website so I can show you. This one is called Snorkeling. It is coming soon and I'm kind of in love with it. And then there are 2 more. So this one is Beetle, and then there's another one that I really like. This one is Teal Atoll, and I think that one is really pretty. So there are other colors of this yarn that are very, very beautiful. I think Sunset just kind of missed the mark. I feel like it had potential and then just kind of fell apart midway through. And I'm not certain that I love it crocheted. I think when I ran it through the knitting machine, it was much prettier, but that's just this particular color. The other colors on Premier Yarns website, they do have swatches of both crochet and knit, so you can see the difference, and they definitely look like the color is less chaotic than Sunset, so I think I will order them, or maybe one of them with my next Premier Yarns order, and when I get them, I will definitely film it so you guys can see. Maybe Spun Yarns will have a redemption arc. We can only hope. So just to recap, I did really enjoy this yarn. I didn't like it so much with crochet, and the color is this. So that's kind of it. I do have some photos that I took of these, so I will show you those here. And here are all my hats. This is what I made. This is what I made with the Spun Colors yarn in the color Sunset. I did really like this yarn. I did not like the color as much, but this is what I made. I'm pretty happy with my hats overall. I just don't love the color. I'm kind of about the color, so that's kind of how I feel about that. But this is it. This is the end of the video. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here with me today. Please give this video a like if you liked it. Make sure you subscribe if you'd like to see more, and hit the bell button to be notified when I upload next. And I will see you all later. Bye!